I'm going to show you how to make a perfect pancake on a Dutch lid. That's right, stay with me. We'll be right back.
Like this one?
Let's get ready, Oh, you know what? There's a little feller over there. Can you see me? There's a little feller over in northwest Louisiana, and he's trying to figure out how to make pancakes on a Dutch lid. You know Billy, don't you? Oh, I didn't mean to mention his name. But you know what? On this video today, and I'm collabing with Frugal RV Gal. Yeah, we do meetups every once in a while. We're going to meet up in October. We're both going to show videos of how to cook a pancake on a Dutch lid. She's going to do it her way. I'm going to do it my way. I'll leave a link to her down below and a link to her at the end of this video so you can see her way of doing it. And maybe little Billy can learn how to do this. We're helping people out. Don't you know it? Let's get to that video. Let us get back to this. Let me start paying attention to the pancake so we can get it going, and I'll go make that video. Be back in a minute. Alright, to start, figure out where you're going to put your Dutch. And this is the way you do it. Watch this. This is what is so cool about Dutch oven cooking. Turn it upside down. I'm going to put some coals right there. On the bottom, upside down. And put the lid right there, and we're going to cook pancakes on there. That's right. That's right. Let's go, at the end, I'm going to show you, at the end I'll link you to Frugal RV Gal, and you can go see how she does hers, and learn from her too. Alright? She's doing full-time RVing now. I remember when she was trying to get to that point, but now she's doing it. She's enjoying it, and she's a-traveling. You need to go check her out. Tell her Papa Texas sent you. Yeah. You'll see me and her meet up back in, or up in October. Yeah, we're going to be fishing, camping, cooking, kayaking, geocaching. A whole bunch of people. I think there's over 100 people going to be there. It's going to be awesome. You can still join us. You can still join us if you're wanting to come to this area. Just let me know. Alright, let me get this prepared, and we'll be back and make little Billy a pancake. Show him how you do it. Yeah. A-OK forging. And sometimes outdoor. Oh, crap. Alright. Put you a few coals on here. Spread them out. If you want one of these things, this thing is awesome. It's made for cooking, but I found out it works awesome for moving around. Charcoal. Yeah, ashes go down. Anyway, the link to this is down below. Alright, let me get the lid on here, and let's get a pancake made for little Billy. Papa, it's upside down. That's right, I'm warming it up, cleaning it up, heating it up. Alright, put a little butter on there. Alright, little Billy, I want you to notice I'm going to have to add a few more coals to it. Alright, now we're getting some bubbling. Alright, so my problem was I didn't have enough coals under there. So, little Billy, little Billy, make sure you have enough coals under there. I'm sure Frugal's going to figure that out too. And then you're just going to put you a nice pancake right there. And now we're going to wait for it to bubble up all around so we can flip it. Little Billy, you're going to learn from me and Frugal, and you're going to be awesome at this. Awesome. All right. A little dry right there. Oh yeah, we got this. We got this one. Oh yeah, there it is. The perfect pancake on a Dutch lid. Yeah. That is how I make a pancake. I've never done that before, so it was an experience for me too. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed to this channel, It's down below. You can just click on it and say, yeah, Papa, I want to follow you. You got some good how-tos and some cooking and little fun stuff in between. That's right. And I help the community out. That's right. That's Papa. This right here, let's see what the other side looks like. Perfect. Perfect. Let's flip that side over. Let's do this. Let's get a money shot. Right there. I'm impressed. Y'all go check out Frugal's version of how she does it, and maybe little Billy in October when we do the big meetup, he'll try it in front of us. I know he'll be nervous, but that's okay. We'll work with you, Billy. We will. We'll train you how you can cook a pancake on a Dutch lid. Maybe we'll have a pancake Dutch lid cooking cook-off. Yeah, that'd be fun. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. A big W made me that. See ya.